Introducing GSheetConnector for Ninja Forms by GSheetConnector, the most powerful bridge between Ninja Forms and Google Sheets. Compatible with official and third-party add-ons of Ninja Forms. Available to download in free from WordPress repository. After installing the plugin, you must have to authenticate with Google, along with Google Drive and permissions. Once it has been authenticated, click to save and you are done. Now edit the form which you want to connect with Google Sheet, and then click on Email and Actions tab and edit GSheetConnector Pro to start configuration. Select the appropriate sheet. And select the fields which you want in Google Sheet. You can also sync all the past form entries to the sheet while clicking on Sync All Submissions after saving the settings. Now, whenever form will be filled, submissions will be shown in this sheet in a real time. Let's fill the form now to test. You can see the form submissions in the sheet. It works in a real time. Ninja Forms GSheetConnector is available to download free. If you have any queries or issues, then get in touch with us at helpdesk@gsheetconnector.com.